Good afternoon, friends. Our next topic is comparison of inter-integrated circuit and control area network, that is I2C and CAN. I2C and SCAN. Sorry, CAN. Okay. So on the basis of these points, these following points, इन बेसिस इस इन पॉइंट्स के ऊपर हम क्या करेंगे, इसका कंपैरिजन करेंगे. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज data transfer rate. In data transfer, if we are comparing this CAN and I2C on the basis of data transfer rate, this I2C, that is inter-integrated circuit, consists of 3 speed, that is 100 kilobits per second, 400 kilobits per second and 3.4 Mbps. Okay, and in CAN there is transfer speed from 250 kilobits per second to 1 Mbps. 1 Mbps. Second point is on the basis of number of fields. So in I2C there are number of fields are 7 bit, and in CAN there is a number of fields is 8 bit. Then addressing bits. Here in I2C addressing bits are 7 or 10 bits, 7 or 10 bit, and in control area network the speed is addressing bits are 11 bit. The next point is application. So these I2C are applied in to interface watchdog, flash and RAM memory etc. Okay, and this control area network applied or used in telescope, medical instruments etc. Last point is power consumption. In I2C power consumption is less, and in CAN, that is control area network, power consumption is more. Okay, this is the comparison of I2C and control area network. So next topic is USB, universal serial bus. Universal serial bus. Universal serial bus. Okay, so type A socket from front. This is type B socket. Type B socket from front. Okay. So this USB is a set of interface specification for high-speed wire communication between electronic systems, peripherals and devices with or without PC or computer. Okay. So USB offers very simple connectivity. It's offer very simple connectivity. Okay. The USB standard specifies two kind of cable and connectors. The USB cable will usually have an A connector on one end and B on the other. That means the USB device will have an A connection on it. If not, then the device has a socket on it that accepts a USB B connector. Okay. Then the pin functions of this USB. That is this one for plus 5 volt power. Color of this cable is red. Then second, that is minus data. The color of this cable is white or yellow. Then third, that is plus data, green or blue. The color of this cable is green or blue. And fourth one is ground, having color black or brown. So which are the advantages of this universal serial bus? It allows users to easily attach and detach devices on your computer due to easy plug and play type of system. USB allows user to connect 127 devices to a computer at a time. Okay. Then devices that require extra power in small amount can draw power through a USB port. These are the several advantages of universal serial bus. Universal serial bus. Okay. So this is about the USB.